everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and simple crochet twist cable headband. This project takes a size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and some medium worsted weight yarn, and we're going to create this really simple design with our twisted cables in the middle and these front post treble crochet rows on the side. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to chain 5. And single crochet into the second chain from the hook and each chain to the end. Chain 1 and turn your work. 2 single crochet into the first stitch. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet into the first stitch. Single crochet into the next 4 stitches. And 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And single crochet into each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet into the first stitch. Single crochet into the next 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. And 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And single crochet into each stitch across. This will give us 10 stitches across, and now we're ready to start the body of our headband. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn, and double crochet into each stitch across. And chain 1 and turn, and single crochet into each stitch across. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn. The chain 2 does count as a stitch. We're going to skip this stitch right here and work into the next. Just say double crochet and then double crochet into the next stitch. Now we're going to front post treble crochet into our double crochet from row 8. Okay, and now we're going to skip the next double crochet and front post treble crochet around the next one. Now we're going to go back and work in that double crochet that we skipped. And we're going to do the front post treble into that one. And now we're going to work a front post treble into the next double crochet. And now we're going to double crochet into the last 3 stitches. And we're going to single crochet into each stitch across. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you have 10. So because we chained 2 and that counted as a stitch in the previous row, make sure that you get your 10th stitch into the end. Okay, now we're going to chain 2 and turn. And again, we're going to skip this first stitch there and work a double crochet into the second one. And another double crochet into the next. And now we're going to do our front post treble crochet in around this post that we made earlier. And we're going to then work another front post treble into this post on top here. So we're skipping this next one and working into that post that we made, and now we're going to do another front post treble into the other post that we just skipped. Okay. And that is what is going to create our twist. And we're going to front post treble crochet around the next post. And then just work 3 double crochets into the last 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet into each of the last 3 stitches. And chain 1 and turn your work. And we're going to single crochet into each stitch across. And don't forget that stitch, your 10th stitch in the end. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. And we're just repeating rows 11 and 12 until our piece measures approximately 18 inches. So we're going to keep working in the same way that we have been working with skipping that first stitch, we do a double crochet and another double crochet into the next stitch. So we have 3 double crochets on each side, and we're working our cables in the middle. And we're going to do our front post treble around our previous post. We're going to work then another front post treble around the top post, skipping that bottom stitch, but now we're going to go back and work into that. Another front post treble crochet right into that skipped post, and we're going to work another front post treble into the next post and double crochet our last 3 stitches. Okay, so go ahead and keep doing your row of single crochet and then do your row with the 3 double crochets on each side and your front post treble crochets worked in the middle until your piece measures 18 inches. This is for just a standard adult size, and I will meet you right back. So now we've worked the pattern until it measures 18 inches, and we're going to start with our decreasing. We're going to chain 1 and single crochet into each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn, and now we're going to single crochet 2 together, single crochet the next 6 stitches, and single crochet 2 together, chain 1 and turn, single crochet into each stitch across, chain 1 and turn, and single crochet 2 together, single crochet the next 4 stitches, and single crochet 2 together, chain 1 and turn, and single crochet into each stitch across, chain 1 and turn, single crochet 2 together, single crochet the next 2 stitches, and single crochet 2 together, chain 1 and turn, single crochet into each stitch across, now we're going to start with our buttonhole. We're going to chain 5, turn your work, slip stitch into the end, and now we're going to continue to single crochet evenly around the entire headband. This will give our edges a nice clean finish, as you can see. and just keep working with your single crochets evenly around your headband. You can work 2 single crochets into each of these corners and then all the way back around, and I'll meet you right back to finish the buttonhole. Now that we've made it back to the buttonhole, we're going to go ahead and single crochet 5 stitches around the chain 5 that we made. And slip stitch in the next stitch, and we're going to fasten that off, weave in our ends, and grab our button. So I weaved in my ends and I grabbed a button that I'm going to sew on. Your button size, this is 1.5 inches. I think about 1 1/4 to 1.5 inches is ideal. And I just cut some of the same colored yarn, and I'm going to go ahead and sew it on. And I just make a knot on the back. And go through the holes a couple of times. And I'm going to knot it again. And you can either cut these really short, or you can go ahead and weave these ends in, and then you'll be finished. And there we have our pretty cable twist headband with our nice texture. And if you would like the written pattern, I will put a link to that in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.